Welcome to our guide on how to mute notifications from new accounts on Twitter using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open Twitter on your PC and log into your account. Step 2. On the left side of the page, click on the Notifications tab to access your notification settings. Step 3. Locate and click on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 dots, to open the settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, click on Filters, then select Muted Notifications to customize your notification preferences. Step 5. In the Muted Notifications section, check the box next to With a New Account to mute notifications from users who have recently created their accounts. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your notifications on Twitter by muting notifications from new accounts, helping you maintain a clutter-free notification experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to mute notifications from new accounts on Twitter using your PC. Enjoy a more personalized and streamlined notification experience on Twitter.